Strength in adaptability. Adaptability is strength with grace. We all want stability, yung feeling na secure ka kahit magbago ang paligid mo. Pero to grow, we must learn to adapt. And that's the reality. Minsan may mga biglang pagbabago, schedule, business trend, or life season. At first, nakaka-stress kasi gusto nating laging kontrolado ang lahat. But true strength is not about resisting change. It's about embracing it with faith. When you adapt, you're saying, Lord, I trust you. Kahit di ko naiintindihan lahat. You allow God to move you into new levels, new blessings, and new opportunities. Change doesn't always feel comfortable, but it's necessary for transformation. Think of a seed. It must break before it grows. You are evolving into someone wiser, stronger, and more aligned with your divine purpose. Keep adjusting, keep flowing, and let grace carry you through every transition. Thank you again for watching. God bless you.